How are you?
I'm doing good, other than the obvious, right?
Tell me what's going on. What size engine does this have? Is this a 1.5 or a 2 liter?
Well, 1.5.
Okay, so what's going on?
So I got my LK, keeping you on the middle of the road. That's green. That's working. The ACC is orange, and then I've got brakes down the bottom right-hand corner that's orange. And then I've got the warning system, warning the tire pressure, the CMBS, the assisted driving, or not whatever that CMBS is, I forgot now. And then the ACC issues.
Okay.
And I can't get the cruise, obviously cruise control won't work.
Okay. And you said something about a code in the computer, is that right?
Oh yeah, and then it also has, because I stopped it out of them, had to pull the code off, and it's the camshaft sensor.
Okay.
The code is P0340.
Okay.
Car starts perfectly fine, runs perfectly fine, all that good stuff.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, how much food did you order, man? Sorry, I had to stop at KFC. I'm a little hungry.
That's all right. So, what exactly is your question to me? Are you looking for some possible causes? Are you going to be fixing this yourself,
Yeah.
or?
Yeah, I'm just trying to. I don't want to go see the Honda dealership. Answer.
Okay.
I want what possible causes out of the blue would come up with these things.
Well, a lot of these systems, they work basically, they rely on other systems. So if you have a P0340 code in the computer, that's going to have to be fixed, diagnosed, and fixed first. And once that's fixed and the code is cleared, I would be willing to bet, most, if not all of these, lights are going to be taken care of. If you got maybe not the tire light, but
why would they be thrown from the campsite?
Because if the computer loses fuel control, all these other systems will basically stop working properly, and the computer is programmed.
Okay, so
Computer is programmed to know this. Not the tire pressure sensor. That's going to be either a low tire pressure or a bad sensor.
Dude, but hang on. What are the odds of all those lights happening at the exact same time, like zero? That my tire would all of a sudden lose tire pressure and pop up at the exact same time as the rest of them did.
So is that the only code in the computer?
Okay, when I go to pull the DTC codes, the only code is that one, the camshaft P0340.
Okay, I gotcha. So,
and I'm just saying that the odds of that one coming on exactly at the same time as everything else just seems not possible.
Yep, I totally agree. So, which tells me either A, we have something else going on, or B, it's a coincidence. It's probably not a coincidence, which tells me we got two separate issues. I agree with you.
Okay,
I'm with. Hey, listen, I'm with you. I'm on your side. I'm trying to help you. I'm with you, loud and clear. That I don't think it's going to be. The cam sensor is going to cause this tire light to come on. Now, what you're going to have to do? Did you check the tire pressure?
Did I what?
Have you checked the tire pressure?
The tire pressure? No, I haven't got to that yet.
Okay. So you might want to just start by checking the basics first. Go just check the tire pressure, adjust them as needed, and then this cam sensor will likely need to be replaced. Okay, and then once that's done, go ahead and clear the codes, clear the lights, and then retest the vehicle, redrive the vehicle, and see if that takes care of it. So you might find that the cam sensor code and most of the lights will be taken care of, and then maybe you'll just have this either tire light, or maybe that'll go away once you adjust. I don't know. I can't say for sure. I can't give you an exact answer on everything because I'm not there looking at it, but I'm just telling you the direction to go to try to help you.
Gotcha. All right, well, I'll start with the cam sensor and replace it, and then we'll go from there, I guess.
You got it. And if anything comes up, just reply back and let me know. I'll be happy to help, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.